Today, we've got two top cordless vacuums going head-to-head. In the red corner, the LG CordZero A9, packed with handy attachments, compressor technology to squeeze in more dirt, and even a mopping feature for hard floors. In the blue corner, the Samsung Bespoke Jet, a lightweight powerhouse with strong suction and a self-cleaning station that makes emptying the bin a breeze. Stay tuned as we compare their performance, battery life, ease of use, and extra features to help you decide which one to buy. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. Round number 1, suction power. The Samsung Bespoke Jet is equipped with a robust 210 air-watt motor, and it maintains this strong suction even as the battery drains, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning. Plus, its dual battery system means you never run out of power mid-task. LG CordZero A9 offers 160 air watts of suction, respectable suction power suitable for everyday cleaning tasks. Samsung wins this round for versatile cleaning performance in terms of the size of the debris and raw suction. Round number 2, multi-surface cleaning efficiency. The Samsung Bespoke Jet performs well on low-pile carpets, handling large debris like cereal and rice, but it leaves some fine debris like sand and dirt along the edges. It's effective at picking up pet hair, requiring a second pass for shorter strands. It clears most debris on high-pile carpets, but needs multiple passes for fine particles. However, the unpowered soft roller struggles with medium and large debris on hard floors, only effectively picking up fine particles like sand. The LG vacuum does a pretty good job on low-pile carpets. It is also great at picking up pet hair. Even pet business owners have vouched for it. It picks up fine stuff like sand and handles medium and large debris, like rice. It's also great for pet hair, clearing most of it in one pass. However, if you're using it on bare floors, it struggles a bit with medium debris. And its low floor head can push around larger stuff, like cereal, instead of picking it up. But it handles fine particles like sand well. On high-pile carpet, it does an okay job with larger debris, rice, and sand, though you might need to go over it a couple of times to get everything. So, all in all, the LG vacuum is better for pet hair and fine debris on low-pile carpets, while the Samsung offers more consistent performance across different surfaces. If you are finding this video valuable, please take a moment to subscribe. Thanks. Round number 3, ease of use. The Samsung Bespoke Jet weighs 3.09 pounds in hand, making it lightweight and easy to carry. It has a battery life of up to 130 minutes at its minimum power, with 2 removable batteries, and a recharge time of 149 minutes. The vacuum is cordless and bagless, with a dirt compartment volume of 0.69 gallons. The Samsung Bespoke Jet also features a cleaning station that uses dirt bags to make emptying the dustbin easier and cleaner. It comes with several tools, including a turbo brush, crevice tool, upholstery tool, and a jet dual brush floor head for versatility and cleaning. But surprisingly, there are no front LEDs, a handy feature even budget vacuums offer. The LG CordZero A9 weighs 3.68 pounds in hand, making it easy to carry and handle. It has a maximum battery life of 112 minutes on minimum charge with 2 removable batteries, and the recharge time is 372 minutes. The vacuum is cordless and bagless with a dirt compartment volume of 0.09 gallons. It comes with tools like a turbo brush, crevice tool, upholstery tool, and a removable brush roll. It's designed for easy portability and maintenance, with a stand for storing the vacuum and additional tools. So, it won't be wrong to say that the Samsung Bespoke Jet wins with its lighter weight, superior battery life, and faster recharge time, making it more convenient for long cleaning sessions. Round number 4, ease of maintenance. The Bespoke Jet offers easy access to parts like a washable HEPA filter, cyclone filter, and motorized turbo brush. Its dirt bin is transparent, so you can easily see when it's full. The standout feature is the cleaning station, which automatically transfers debris into a dirt bag, reducing mess. Maintenance involves cleaning the filters, brush roll, and dirt bin, with the added convenience of automatic dirt bag replacement. To empty the LG CordZero A9's dustbin, you have to press the release button at the bottom. Due to its small size, it needs frequent emptying, and any stuck debris should be cleaned with the combination tool, as it can't be washed with water. The removable brush roll is also easy to clean, but requires manual effort. However, assembling the docking station may be more complicated, requiring the instruction manual. So from the maintenance perspective, Samsung Bespoke clearly wins, Round number 5, customer support and warranty. LG provides a 1-year warranty for its vacuum cleaners and a 10-year motor warranty. On the other hand, Samsung offers a 1-year warranty for its vacuum cleaners. Both have their fair share of customer service complaints. Overall winner. In this head-to-head comparison, the Samsung Bespoke Jet takes the lead in several categories, notably because it effortlessly cleans all floor types and even has a bigger dustbin. Having said that, LG CordZero A9 also performs decently well with pet hair and fine debris, especially on low-pile carpets. But that's what I think. Have you used LG or Samsung vacuums? Share your experiences in the comments below. And for the best Dyson vacuums for thick carpets, check out this video next.